This is it. So highly recommend it. Today we're going to install a L Oil Separator on the driver's side for the 2022 JL.
All we gotta do is
Here's what comes in the package: the oil separator, and it already comes all hooked up together. So now watch the instructions and we'll let you know how the installation is. First thing you're going to do is take this hose off. You just push into the gray tab and it comes right out. Then you're going to go over to the follow the tube. You have to take it off from here. And then follow the tube to the bottom. And it's the same thing. You push in the gray tab and pull up on it. I have to get a light. Alright, I didn't need the light, but it's off. Now I just gotta wiggle it in there and pull it right up. Now what you gotta do next is you gotta take a 10mm socket and remove the 2 screws to take out the coolant reservoir. And the only reason you're gonna take it out is so you can fit the hosing behind it. As you can see, this is the way it's gonna sit in the car. So you wanna get this port here behind the reservoir. Next thing you want to do is put on the plate, what you want to call it?
mountain bracket.
The mountain bracket, that's it. Put the mountain bracket, it comes with the supplied screws. As you can see, it also comes with one to install it onto the Jeep itself. So the kit actually comes with everything. Like I said, everything already comes pre-assembled. So like you have to go in there and try to assemble everything and figure out what hose those were. This is an easy setup. I installed these before in the Mustang, which was a pain in the butt because you had to go from underneath. But this one was very, very simple. You should install one on each one of your Jeeps if you have them, because it'll save your engine from getting a lot of blowback from the oil. Well worth it. Alright, once you got it in, as you can see, all you do is reverse order from the beginning. Just put it right in, here, click. There you go. And then just fix it up the way you want. As you can see, it fits right there. Now you're going to go to the other hose, which runs behind. And you're going to go right to where you took out the original one.
How many you like that one?
And install it. Same thing, put it in, you hear it click. Once it's in there. Alright, now you yank on it, make sure it's tight.
It's on there.
Okay, so that's it. It runs behind there. Put the screws back on to your coolant. Comes here. And this is it. So highly recommend it. Easy installation. If you want more information on where we purchased it or how much did it cost, how much did you pay for it?
I forgot. It was a while ago.
Alright, if you want the information, just leave in the comments. I'll look it up for you and I'll send you the link. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll be doing some more installs with our Christmas gifts.